Hi you guys, Jamila here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a sort of like a what I eat in a day slash go grocery shopping with me video, and I forgot to record what I ate for breakfast. So this is a 32-ounce cup of water, and I try to drink 2 of these a day. So I'm gonna finish the rest of this off, but the first thing I do is drink some water. And then for breakfast, I just had a plantain. There's a little bit left. But yeah, simple breakfast, and now I'm going to go grocery shopping. Yeah, so there's actually this food list that I've been using lately, and it's called Life After Detox Food List. So I saw this video, right? It's on Sway's Universe, and it has he had these doctors on, and they were talking about how 90%, 80 to 90% of Black women have fibroids, and a lot of them are having problems having kids and all of this stuff. And I've never had a fibroid or anything like that, but they were also talking about like period pain, period cramps, and how like we're not supposed to be dealing with any of that. And the whole reason for all of this is because of estrogen levels. And so I've had to deal with like the period stuff, the pain, the throwing up, all of that. And so they were just warning people about what they eat and also birth control. It was super informative and so interesting. Honestly, it was great. So they have a website, and I went on the website. They have a free food list. They also have like consultations with the doctors. So you can have a one-on-one consultation, and you have to pay for that one, or you can do a group consultation for free. So I actually signed up for a group consultation, and it's sometime this month. It's later on this month, so I'm excited about that. But what I've been doing is sort of going by this food list. So they have a new diet, new lifestyle food list. And so they pretty much just have a bunch of foods to eat that are gonna be really good for you, low estrogen. They're not gonna really have any kinds of negative effects on you. They also have like recommendations for how to cook your food and the best seasonings to use, sweeteners, and other like suggestions for your health. And literally there are people who have followed this stuff and their fibroids have shrinked like crazy. Again, I've never had a fibroid or had to deal with that, but with 80 or 90% of Black women dealing with that in the world, not just the US, that's a little crazy. I'm just trying to prevent me from being in that situation. But yeah, this food list is pretty good. I mean, honestly, it's not that hard. I've sort of like been eating healthy anyways, but this is just giving me a little more guidance. And of course, I don't follow everything 100%, but I stick with it pretty well. So yeah, I'm on a good track. So yeah, I highly suggest that you guys go on the website. I'm actually gonna link the video down below, and also, yeah, I'm gonna link the video down below and the website. Oh my gosh, you gotta listen to it. You have to, you just have to, you have to. It's so important. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna go grocery shopping, and hopefully, this is new for me. Hopefully I'm not uncomfortable and people aren't staring at me too much. But either way, I'm gonna do it, so. All right, so I'm back from grocery shopping and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I got some plantains, super easy and super affordable to eat. And then I got some purple potatoes. I've never had purple potatoes, but they're on that food list that I showed you guys earlier. So I'm gonna have that for dinner this week. I got some grape tomatoes, zucchini. I got some organic dates, and these are so good. They're like candy. They're a little pricey, but there's a good amount in here. I mean, they're literally like nature's candy. They're so good. And then I got some mangoes. So this is a different kind of mango. I can't remember what the name of this mango is. Atolfo. I can't remember what the name of this mango is, but they're supposed to be super sweet, like sweeter than the regular mangoes. And I've never had them before, and they're super like soft, and I just know they're so sweet. I can't wait to eat those. So I got a few of those, and then I got some grapefruit, and then I got some avocado. I eat avocado like every week. It's just so good for you, filling, and gives you a lot of energy. And then I got some red onions. I got some hemp seeds. These are like my new thing, and these are gonna last a while. I just wanted to get some more. And then I got some onion powder and some more cinnamon. And also I got some millet. I've been eating millet for my breakfast food instead of eating oatmeal, because it's so much healthier. And this is what it looks like. It's so good, and it is so easy to make and affordable. It is like so affordable. It's crazy. But yeah, so I got some millet, tortilla chips, blue tortilla chips. I got some cantaloupe. I hope these are ripe. I'm probably gonna wait till at least Wednesday to eat them. They look like they're ripe on one side. Like this side looks really, you know, like it's like yellowish, but then on the other side it's all green. So yeah, hopefully they're ripe when I eat them. And then I got some jackfruit. So this is a chili lime jackfruit. It doesn't have any crazy chemicals in it. It has very straightforward ingredients. It has jackfruit, onion, chili, vinegar, sugar, lime, sea salt, garlic, black pepper, cumin, and coriander. Literally, that is all. So I'm gonna have this. So I'm gonna have my purple potatoes, and then I'm gonna have some red quinoa. And I think I'm going to have this with my red quinoa. Put that in there. I think I'm gonna do that. We'll see. If not, then I'll just have this next week. But I think I'm gonna add that to my red quinoa. And then I got some vegetable broth. I'm gonna use some of this to cook my quinoa for dinner this week. And then I got some coconut milk. I've been doing coconut milk instead of almond milk because it's supposed to be healthier and it's what's on the food list. And of course, you guys, I don't do 100%. But I really do try to stick with what's on that food list. Then I got some coconut water. I love coconut water. It's just so pricey, but it's really good. So I got 2 of these. And then I wanted to get some salsa to put into my quinoa when I cook it too. And I ended up getting 2 salsas. I don't know how I did that, but it's okay. So I got this one hot salsa, and then I got this other medium salsa. So it's all good. I use salsa a lot, so no problem there. Then I got some coconut oil. I use coconut oil as a substitute for butter. Really good, and I just ran out, so I need to get some more of that. And I'm going to make some ginger juice, and I want to mix it up with some water, of course dilute it with water, and then I'm going to add some this pineapple juice to it, just so I can have something like really healthy and tasty to sip on when I don't want to drink water. So yay, I'm excited to do that. And that's it. That's all I got. Yep, so let's see. I'm gonna put all this away, and then I'm probably gonna eat a snack. I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but I'm hungry. Yeah, I wanna eat something. And then later on this evening, I'll cook and do my meal prep. So yeah. So I think I forgot to show that I got some coconut milk based vanilla ice cream. I just had to get a dessert. I had to. They also had a no sugar added vanilla ice cream and chocolate ice cream. I was tempted to try the no sugar added vanilla ice cream, but I was like, is it gonna be sweet? So I decided to get this one. If I eat ice cream, I want it to be sweet. So yeah, this is definitely not on the food list, but it is coconut based and it's plain old vanilla, and I'm gonna eat my ice cream. I don't know what kind of mango this is, but I'm excited to try it. I'll leave the name of the mango on the screen somewhere. It's good. Is it better than the regular mangoes I usually get? I don't know. I mean, if I get a good regular mango, that mango is gonna be bomb, so. But this is good too. I don't think it's that much sweeter than a regular mango, but it tastes good, so I'm satisfied. This is a good snack. I'm not complaining. So I ate the mango, but it's so small. It's delicious, but it's so small. So I want some more food to eat. I'm gonna eat these tortilla chips, but I'm gonna dip them in this homemade ranch that I made. So good, so good, so good. I posted this on my Instagram. It's delicious.